Polyface Farm in Virginia. It's called Polyface because he has many different animals, many faces. But what he says is because he has cows and chickens and rabbits and pigs. But he says he's a grass farmer.
Ah, that's but we could just go further. So the idea is they feed this fish.
Yeah. Now what we did wrong is that the holes is slightly too small for their shit. We were supposed to use a little bigger wire there, but it still pulls through.
But no, after some time we
find the hole that's one bigger. Yeah. Also not too big because the small bird can fall through if you use this. So here can you see when we built it the first time, even painting the poles, they were just all chowed right down. So all of it, you can see all that pole hanging in the air. The termites here are vicious. Then you have to redo everything with steel.
Okay, so tell me what's the deal with the... Okay, obviously just to keep the needles and everything.
No, the idea with this is the hawks and crows even.
Yeah. The crows?
A normal black and white crow eats the babies. And hawks, they just eat. And even if we build one like this at Futeko, the last lesson we learned is even a leguan, small reptile. They even climb in and eat them and eat the eggs. Yeah. So your big secret is this thing must be completely wire sealed for predators because the animals here don't have protection.
Yeah.
Where in the field they hide and whatever. So if you do this, it must be 100% closed so no predators can get in.
Do you eat the guineas?
People eat them.
Guinea fowl. So there's like a certain time of the year that you cannot eat them, apparently.
Yeah, that's true. I don't know when they... yes, yes.
Nice, man.
So the baskets are for laying eggs. So the hen stays there until the babies breed out. And then even in the night they don't sleep in the ground, they sleep on poles. That's why the only poles we give them is above the water. Yeah. So they walk around here but then they have to go and sleep there and sit there. And Short catches these fish with his rod. But I don't think you have to catch one now. But how many fish do you think is in here, Short?
Quite a lot of
Are they edible?
They're big ones. Big ones like this.
How many do you think?
Now of 1,000.
You reckon it's a stop? And now he's digging this thing by hand. So when we get your ek het die persoonlik ek en my Afrikaner vriende. Dian. Ja, dan moet ek kyk dan. Wat het hier gegaan? Hierdie dinge moet drem so diep.
Ja, jy moet nou.
Ja, like this. Julle dan gegrawe, dan stene gebou aan die kante. Do we let him put cement on the floor? No. The soil itself, if you stamp it, it seals.
Can make like a pop.
And then this one, you can now.
I wish you could share it with a mini piece.
What's the secret?
Cassava, die wortel. En dit is vir spinasie.
Ja, die cassava het ons geëet in Cameroon. But the way they make it, they let it soak in water, they don't boil it, eh? They just let it soak in water for about 3 days or so. It becomes like soft, then they mush it, and then they wrap it in banana leaf and sell it like that. But gosh, Kevin, really nice. Sell it with their fish, with their plantain.
The national dish is called matapa, and that is made from cassava. They add amandouille, peanuts.
With crab also. Spinach.
What? Spinach?
Yeah,
This is the spinach they put in it. Yeah. Matapa interest.
Matapa.
Yeah.
matapa, crab matapa. The green
Yes.
rice.
Okay. Tastes like
So what's the meal? Not the meal. One ends up a long time ago with termite farm. Then there's two of putting up with But you end up top fencing because the chicken
Must
is
get
a
used to the
major
fish.
risk for the vegetable gardens and stuff like that, or cows and goats. So the classical vegetable garden, even there, will also definitely have to get a fence like this. So he priced it. This is a shit quality, like it's a soft wire, it's not those nice hard ones. And it's twice or 3 times expensive as the good quality one in South Africa. So they have the shit one 3 times more. It's gonna be more cost effective. But now we have at the end of the long process to cover that for this football Hope Center. If we have one complete list of everything we want to bring from South Africa, including whatever, then there is a certain process. Everyone says it doesn't exist, but there is a channel where you can apply to bring it in for your purposes. So almost no one managed to do that, but the channel exists, and sort of even been in Maputo to confirm that. And the same with importing a car for charitable purposes or whatever. So if you know long enough in time, and you can make a long inventory, even including rolls of wire or what.
Bring a container in one time.
Yeah. And then you pack it, and then, but that process I would try and do very quickly, because that I think can take 2 months or so. Man?
Unless you drive quick.
Then it's very quick. Whatever.
Okay, so this is all part of the land.
There is a river running here. This is actually, you know the bridge you come in right at this Portuno? Yeah. That is Shirambandini at this one. So both the sides are linked with the water. I don't know what it is, but it sounds... Millions of small coal. Before we had anything here, we had a normal well dug, like the long drop. Then later got water from the main pipe. And this was our tourist spot. So we had a few groups of high school from Joburg, whatever. They parked their car there. They put tents here. Yeah, they put the tents, and then that's like their kitchen. They love it. I mean, those kids, they like, oh, it's so peaceful. And so, even these things, we can get some in the mountains and plants at the football folk center.
You need to grow too fast.
No, this grows slow, but trees like this can grow fast. Although we don't really need thorn trees where there's footballs.
This is railway from the rail?
Yes. This was the first time I built a table like this, then I even took it down there. I've even slept on this. So this year in, year out, people use this for space. So if you want to put in the design of the...
expensive?
No. It's not easy to get, but when you get them, it's very cheap to buy them. So even if you want to include one of few of these elements to say recycling, blah blah, it can... It's quite cool for sitting on all tables.
So like this?
And the termites don't get these.
Well, we don't, if you leave them on the ground, they'll eat them.
They get wet and soft.
Yeah. So if you leave them like here, what else is going on here? We can do a practical experiment.
These Chris's, eh?
Cheese. But again, it's because there's rain and they like
Moist. As soon as you make it soft, it's easy to chew.
yeah. And yeah, you can see all their babies. They don't do it that side, short, or do they?
They eat, they wash them and wash underneath.
Ten?
What termites in it?
Go, one, 2, go. 1, two go,
Ants, huh?
These are no ants.
which is not a real problem. But they look like they want to sting you. They bite.
I stuck my head in a manhole and KZN. I just happened to like graze this ant hole. The next thing I knew that
Yo! Haha!
Where did you find?
Said, come and take pictures of this.
Nest. My goodness.
Massive ones. And this is hard treated wood.
Oh, she stings, huh?
I think that's why even the railway line is moving to steel.
probably. That's why.
So yeah, that's why we're not big fans of wood. The zinc here is also very bad quality.
Thin.
Very thin, and you can't, if you can't like walk on it.
But you get different thicknesses.
Not, yeah.
One thickness.
Yes, you get the shit one and the very shit one.
Ah, okay.
This is still the good of the
Good shit one.
This is not the shittest one.
I think you should just
Places like Koshua. Don't play with the wasps.
see what.
You know what? Those are ants that's carrying away the termite eggs.
Oh, stealing the eggs.
Yeah.
So the ants are friends.
Yeah, right?
But how they sound, that wood is disturbing, eh?
Hectic.
Could have been the ants before, could have been the termites before the ants discovered.
Sure. Yeah. What do we do to prevent this?
Is to wash them.
And we said, let's plant some trees that there will be shade, and everyone's like, by the time the tree is big, we'll be dead, we won't be coming to Monica. So that one was planted, and this avocado one. So that one now already, we planted this big and stick it myself. So now already if you have a tent there, you're getting good shape. This thing is getting great avocado. Tomatoes. Does your kid use this or someone? Big people. This is all groundbreaking, Kevin.
There you go. I get that.
The pre-groundbreaking, groundbreaking. We can tick it off. Done. Okay. One less thing. And this is two. Yeah. It's also like a spinach type.
Looks like
Spinach
mustard
and
greens.
lettuce.
But once it
To me.
starts flowering, then it's shit.
We can't eat anymore.
It's old.
Don't you?
But it
Can you
helps
get
the-
seed from this
Yeah, you
flowers?
can, but the quality.
It's not nice. So how do you multiply them?
I will just buy seeds.
Onions. This is again normal corn.
Yeah. Why we like it is because
Keep picking. Yeah,
just
no,
have
cook.
it.
In Mozambique, you never have to die of hunger. If you have coffee, tomatoes, and pap. So sometimes short puts this whole thing as for maize. Yeah? You will grow that whole thing as maize, and the maize can dry. You keep that, and you add with your tomato and coffee. No stress.
I had some of the pop and the
Yeah.
corn and the tomato.
Nice, eh?
Now we don't. So it's those brown.
Now they have that, but they took them out. So now it's bream. No, not koi.
Edible pop.
I think it's bream, eh? Not carp, the one that gets way fat like this.
No, the biggest there is like this.
I think it might be.
Yeah, we just call it Chikamba, that's the problem. But I think it's green
I
because
think it
it's
might be
brown. brownish skin like that.
Next time you take one out to eat, just take one picture of it and then we can just see. Why are you laughing?
Nou, een verhaal van die iets van de...
It depends on people willing to do this.
Very often.